So apparently, his swarm season. Didn't expect it to be this soon. Look at this. Yeah, they're not gonna sting. This is a swarm. So we're gonna have to catch these jokers. Go check the hives over there and see if any left. Yeah, go check and see if there's any swarms over there. Hang on, back up, guys. Okay. That off.
I don't even know if you gotta cut the limb, do you? That's
you just take the limb.
That's a good swarming branch. I'm saying we can have a trap there. Bottles that insane.
Do that right there.
If one's already come here, then another one
A
might.
bee was in there.
It's nice and low.
Yes, like when Daddy wakes us up, a bee was in there.
Really?
It was before
Is this the sugar water?
Yeah, you gotta cut it, you think?
I don't know if we can cut it.
Yeah, try not to. Like I said, we can hang another, trap, like a large
Alright.
platform. Pick that side up. Yep. Go towards Daddy.
Right to hit them.
Right there.
Alright.
I see one with squid head. No, fool, I saw one of the bee's leg.
I need to come a little bit more towards me.
It's on the bee's legs.
Hey, guys.
Yeah. What stuff on bee's legs?
That's nectar. They build up. They stock up with food to leave to go find a new home.
So.
Need to move it closer towards me. Look, a little bit more. I think that's good.
Okay, try to do it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Go. Oh, shoot. Hey, guys, get the whole thing. Drop them there, guys. Yeah. Except some of these little guys.
All right, guys, I gotta get this on.
The half. All these bees are.
Help me knock it over just a little bit. All right. Ma'am.
Oh, look at Atticus!
All right. So now we're gonna watch it and make sure we got the queen, and then we'll move them later on. So I think we got the queen because they got their butts up in the air. That's a big swarm.